Hey guys, Mark Sedgley here, CEO of Granum, and we just wrapped up our first Break Records tour here to Avanza Landscape, and I cannot tell you how awesome it was to feel the energy and all the activity that happened over the last day and a half. I'm super excited to see all the outcomes from this event and see the activity and all the goals going into place across all these awesome organizations that joined us here in Arlington. The biggest feedback that we heard over the course of the last day and a half was all the little things matter. Putting in place great meeting structures, thinking through all the overhead costs that you just don't see and you can't visualize, and how that impacts your business on a day in and day out basis. And the last thing is how powerful this community is. When the community comes together and they network with each other, they learn and they grow, and the entire industry improves. And that's the best part of the takeaways that we heard today. And we've ended this event for 20 minutes now, and look at everybody here, just enjoying the time, experiencing each other's own experience, right? They're growing, they're learning, they're asking questions, they're being curious, and it's awesome to see. It is such a great experience when you can connect with peers, share stories, and learn from each other. And that's what today was all about. Seeing where the rubber meets the road and the operation and how folks are using our software to empower productivity, efficiency, and growth makes my heart sing. You gotta check us out. Go to our website. We've got 7 more stops on the Break Records tour. Giddy up.